Vietnamese rice paper rolls, also known as goi cuon or fresh spring rolls, are one of the most iconic and refreshing dishes from Vietnam. With crunchy lettuce, bouncy vermicelli, juicy shrimp, and fragrant herbs all wrapped in soft rice paper, each bite bursts with freshness. Across Asia, this dish is loved for being healthy, light, and easy to prepare, perfect for summer or a quick lunch. Start by preparing all the ingredients. Soak the vermicelli in hot water until soft, blanch the shrimp and slice them in half, then julienne cucumber and carrot. Wash the lettuce and herbs like mint and Thai basil, these add fragrance and brightness to every roll. Dip a rice paper sheet briefly into warm water for just 2 or 3 seconds. Don't over-soak, or it'll become too soft and tear easily. Lay it flat on a clean surface, then layer on lettuce, noodles, shrimp, cucumber, carrot, and herbs. Fold in the sides and roll it up gently but firmly. The trick is to keep it tight without breaking the wrapper. The peanut dipping sauce is the soul of this dish. Mix peanut butter with fish sauce, sugar, garlic, hot water, a touch of lime juice, and chili. The result is a savory, nutty, slightly tangy sauce that perfectly complements every bite. For best results, roll and serve immediately while the rice paper is still soft and fresh. Keep the fillings dry so the wrapper doesn't turn soggy. What you need is rice paper wrappers 8 to 10 pieces, boiled shrimp 200 grams, rice vermicelli 100 grams, lettuce leaves 6 to 8 pieces, cucumber 1 small, carrot 1 small, fresh mint leaves a handful, Thai basil or cilantro a few sprigs, crushed peanuts 1 tablespoon, peanut sauce 4 tablespoons, fish sauce 1 teaspoon, garlic 1 clove, sugar 1 teaspoon, lime juice 1 teaspoon, chili to taste, warm water for soaking rice paper. And calories is approximately 130 kilocalories per 100 grams. Light, healthy, and full of flavor. Vietnamese rice paper rolls are the perfect dish to brighten your day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mini Spoon Asia for more fresh and flavorful Asian recipes.